This is Jack, Rocknroll Amps, and I'm going to do a little comparison here today. I have a 1963 Fender Deluxe in excellent, almost perfect condition, and we're going to play that next to my Rocknroll Amps black and brown, but we're only going to use the brown side of the amp. Okay, so sitting in front of me I have a gizmo that will allow me to instantly switch between the two amplifiers so that you can hear the difference or the lack of instantly. Now the microphone is in front of the speaker in my amp, but the output of the Fender Deluxe is using the same speaker via the switcher that I have here. So the switcher turns an amp on to the path to that speaker, and it puts the other speaker or amplifier on a dead load, and I could switch back and forth. Then I also have a JHS pedals Active ABY to address the green wire and the blue wire. So, okay, let's start off. Here's the, I kind of have I'm pretty sure the knobs are dialed in similar, but that's not a great way to do things, because, you know, there's always differences in potentiometer variations and all this crap. But it's the best I could do. So I'm playing a Telecaster, parts Tele. The pickups are from Tone Master, Bobby Papa. So I'm going to crank it at the setting you see here. So right now you're listening to the Fender Deluxe. Okay, this is the black and brown. Okay, now we're back to the Fender. I'm going to back off on the volume. Now the black and brown. Okay, I just cranked up one notch. Fender Deluxe. Okay, now the black and brown. This is the Fender Deluxe. do black and brown. Back to the Deluxe. Black and brown. Deluxe. Black and brown. Thank you for listening.